Typeform has two simple ways to create a quiz that'll show respondents an ending based on their answers: the outcome quiz and the score quiz. The outcome quiz links answers to endings. Each answer in each question will be assigned to an ending. When your respondent goes through your Typeform, the ending that shows up most often will be the outcome they see when they submit the Typeform. Outcome quizzes are perfect for things like giving product recommendations or creating personality quizzes. A score quiz works in a similar way, except instead of assigning each answer to an ending, you assign points to each answer and then assign a score range to each ending. As your respondents go through your Typeform, their score will be added up and they'll land on the ending assigned to their score range. Score quizzes are ideal if you're looking to score leads or assess knowledge. Just go to the Logic tab, select Quiz and Scoring, and choose Outcome Quiz to assign answers to endings, or Score Quiz to assign points to answers. Then, for your score quiz, you can go to the Endings in the Question tab to assign a point range to each ending. For a complete guide on how to build an outcome quiz or a score quiz, check out the Typeform Help Center.